Hello, good afternoon. It's me, Reggie, again. For today's video, I am going to unbox this one. Actually, I have started to unbox it, but I have running out of time, so I just not continue and thinking that I will be unboxing in the next time I get time, and now is the time. So I will be continuing unboxing. This box I got this last weekend, so it's quite long times. Uh, I didn't unbox, so now is the time because for me it's very important. Yes, important things for my daily life. So let's unbox it. Excited now because this is my daily it's part of my daily routine. So oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. TEGreen from New Skin. Yes, TEGreen from New Skin. This is my daily food supplements. Yes, I have ordered a lot. I think, oh wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bottles. The other 2 bottles, I'm going to give it to my mother because she also loved this one. Yes, I will be putting the description down below, the importance on these products, the benefits. I mean, it's a German writing, so I will be putting it in an English writing. Yes. So this is 120 capsule. Actually, you can take this two capsules a day, but for me, since I have some other food supplements that I'm taking, so I just only take one capsule a day. That's okay. This is a very good this I love this product very much from Nu Skin, and they have also a lot of food supplements, a lot if you can visit the Nu Skin website. So I'm so happy. This is a 1 year supply. And also when I go shopping in the Nu Skin in my website, I happen to see this one, which I'm kind of curious. So I am putting it in my basket because I want to try. I love, you know me, I love skincare. Especially Nu Skin products. I love Nu Skin products. So let's unbox what is in this. What I'm sure this is also an anti-aging. Yes, obviously. True Face Peptide Retinol Complex. So let's unbox. Let's unbox. I'm gonna tear this. The packaging. I'm gonna tear. Oh, wow. Very impressive. It's 30 ml. Very impressive. Wow. Oh. Wow. Very impressive. I'm gonna be using this. So that's it for my unboxing. You know, when you're getting older, you're prefer you prefer to get the best products or best quality. And even if it's just a small amount, I mean little amount, and yeah, you want to yeah, I mean I'm getting crazy with the good quality, especially skincare, food supplements. I'm loving it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. And if you want more about more videos, more new videos from my channel, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button, and of course um, the notification bell button, so that you will get more, I mean you will get more videos from me. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Bye.